Python Sendgrid add CC to email. I am using Sendgrid for Python. I want to CC some people in an email. It seems like they may no longer support CCing on emails, though I'm not positive if that's true. But surely there is a workaround to it somehow, but I am surprised I can't find much support on this. Here is my basic code. How can I modify this so it will CC someone on an email?
I resolved it. Santiago's answer got me mostly there, but here is what I needed to do. If you don't include the p.add_to_email, it rejects it because there is no to email in the personalization object. Also, if you don't include the to_email inside the mail object, it rejects it because it is looking for that argument, so you have to be a bit redundant and define it twice.
Using the Sendgrid's personalization or email class did not work for me. This is how I got it to work. Hopefully this helps someone.
I've been looking at the code, this URL. And it looks like you can do that by adding a personalization to the mail, for example.
I hope this'll help. Simplified from at Anurag image script.
If you want it similar, please consider subscribing.